Yeah, guys. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the world in which you are. You're welcome to this channel again. I'm Dr. Racing. I'm your host. Today, if you're here to subscribe, if you're here to be part of our community, which is this channel. If you're here to be part of us, please subscribe, turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video, you're going to be the first to receive them, right? So one of the things in which we've made a habit is to make sure we review our last week's trade. And I don't mean we have the opportunity, we have a second chance to take it again. What would you have done better? And how would you have improved ourselves? So we back test what happened last week so that we can actually, know what to expect for the coming week. So that's what we basically do on this channel, and some educational things in which we help your Forex journey and make everything easy. By the way, if you check the description area under this video, you see my Instagram handle there. You might do as well to follow, because I want to go on a challenge this day, and maybe this month I want to do a challenge in which I am looking to fund $50 to $100 every day, and I'll be showing you guys how I deposited it. I'll be showing you guys the withdrawal and everything, the receipt. I'll be showing you guys everything, showing you guys the trade in which I'll be taking. What I want to achieve here is to let you know whether you're a millionaire, whether you're a thousandaire, whether you have nothing. So far, you can raise little capital, you can trade the Forex market and make a huge sum amount of money by the end of the month. It's not just a one-time profit I'm talking about now. It's been consistent, making profits every time, like knowing what you're doing. Taking Forex trading as a business. That is what I want to prove to you guys here. So by the way, that's just by the way. So you want to do as well to click on the Instagram, follow my story, and a lot of things like that. So you see everything there. Now, let's go into today's business, which is backtesting what happened last week. Guys, on GBP USD last week is one of the rough week I've ever seen on GU. And especially when we are around this time of the year, which is the last quarter of the year, and especially the last month, right? We most likely see price consolidate more than give us direction, right? Price do consolidate more than give us direction. So on GBP USD, what we saw last week was a bit of consolidation. Then price actually push, towards a trend in which we didn't expect. Let's say I didn't expect, right, based on my strategy. So let's go. So basically, our strategy comprises of four things. Number one, we have the psychological level. If you look at these lines we have on the screen here, this one and this one, they are psychological level, and you will see that this psychological level, they are like, just like when you're trying to buy something in the market, right? When you're trying to buy something in the market, and it goes like this, I want to buy this for 10,000, and the person negotiates it to 8,000. Then you said, no, I'll collect 9,005. Then the person said, okay, take 8,500. Then eventually you guys agree at 9,000. Notice what you guys did. You guys negotiated to a psychological price, right? So from 10,000 to 9,500, 9,500 to 9,000, 9,000 to 8,500, 8,500 to 8,000. That is exactly what psychological level is. Forget about this 1.2700. Look at this 1.26500, right? So 26500, then 1.2600, 1.265500, 1.265000, like that. That's what psychological level basically is, right? The next one is high and low of the week. You see this red line, this red horizontal ray that you have on that you can see on my screen now. What it's saying is we mark the highest and the lowest point of the two first candlestick on H4 time frame to pop out for the week. We mark the highest point of the two and the lowest point of the two. So let's dive to H4 now. Let's go to H4 now. Let's dive to H4 now. So look at what you see on your screen here. So let me just let's look at this. So this is the first two candlestick to pop out for the week, right, on GBP USD. These are the first two candlesticks to pop out. That was last week now. So these are the first two candlesticks to pop out. Hence, we mark the highest point of the two, which is this guy, and we mark the lowest point of the two, which is this guy here, right? So that's number 2. Number 3 is trend line. What is trend line? Trend line can be defined as a tool in which we use in trading market trend. Let me repeat myself again. Trend line can be described as a tool in which we use in trading market trend. Note, trend line does not determine market trend. Trend line only guides us to trade market trend. I don't know if you've seen this scenario in the market before, in which you are trying to plot a trend line on a trending market, yet the trend line is not falling in place, right? Rather, our price keep trading above or below your trend line, they still keep going down, keep trending or going up. It still keep trending, but it's not just obeying your trend line. And so, personally for me, I use my trend line to trade, I use my trend line as a guide to trade market trend, but I don't use it to determine market trend. I don't know if you understand that. So these are the lines you are seeing here. These are the lines you are seeing here. These are the lines you are seeing here, guys. So now the last one, which is the most important of them all, is chart pattern, right? Whether I'm going to buy, whether I'm going to sell, one of the things that determine whether I'm going to buy or whether I'm going to sell is my chart pattern, right? Chart pattern is like a cloud. For example, now, let's say market trend is like season. Let's say uptrend is what? Uptrend is dry season, where downtrend is what? Is rainy season. So one of the key factor for you to know that it's going to rain in rainy season is what? Is cloud. So chart pattern is like cloud that indicates that it's about to rain. I don't know if you get that. So it tells you that it's about to rain. So once you see cloud, you know that there's rain, then you prepare, you take on your umbrella, your raincoat, your rain boot. Yeah, a lot of things like that. So that's the same thing chart pattern is doing for us here. Chart pattern is giving us the signal that, guys, though this is a downtrend, right? It's now time for it to rain, right? So that is what chart pattern is all about. And during the course of this video, this is basically what we're going to do. So now, one of the things I forgot to tell you about, what's it called? About high and low of the week now, is that after marking out the highest point and the lowest point, we want to see a candlestick break out of either the highest point here or the lowest point here. So let's wait. Okay, so we can see a candlestick. This candlestick broke down, then immediately it went up again. Then we see this break out, right? So let's see. And another one, price was pushed in again. So it's possible for us to have a confused week. This was one of the first indicators that this week might be a little bit confusing, because we had a breakout, then a breakdown, right? So already, let's see if we have one more to the downside. Look at it, we have a break inside again. So it's a confusing week. We don't have a clear direction. So what do I mean by a clear direction is, adding in price is going to break out. We expect that once it break out of this bearish, let me zoom in so that we can all see very well. Let me zoom in so that we can all see very, once we experience this breakout now, this candlestick here now, we expect that this breakout should be, price should actually, after the closure of this green candlestick, we expect that price should actually keep pushing up. Price should keep pushing up. Rather, immediately this candlestick closed here, price did what? Price came down. Price came down after this candlestick what? After the closure of this candlestick. Hence, look at this one again. After the closure of this bearish candlestick, what happened to price? Price pushed up again. Price pushed up again. So this signal here, to me, doesn't look like it. This signal here doesn't look like it. So let's keep waiting for us to see more. Oh wow, now we can see like a bearish candlestick. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame to see if we can get some entries. So now look at this now. Look at this. So at this point here now, we have a psychological level here. We have a low of the week here, right? Now, this colors you are seeing on my screen, right? This green means London session. This dark one means the overlap of London and New York session, while this area means New York session. I don't know if you get that. Yeah, so that is what that means. That's what that means, right? So let's go. Let's go, guys. So yeah, so now price is currently around here. I will be looking to sell here. Why? I have my low of the week close by. I have my psychological level close by. Note, the purpose of us using psychological level, trend line, high and low of the week, and chart pattern is anywhere we see 3/4 of those confluences, 3/4 of those confluences, we take action. Anywhere we see 3/4 of those confluences, we take action. If you see a 4/4, that's a super trade. You stack it up. So let's play this and let's see what price will give us. So we're expecting a M pattern there. So beautiful. This is a M pattern for me. So I'm going to go short here. I remember this trade very well. This trade eventually it broke my heart though. So I will go short here after seeing this M pattern. Then this is close to London session. So let's see what the result is like. This was close to London, so I will never forget this. This price broke our hearts. So it was just like what price has been doing. Price went back into this guy again. So this was a losing one for us. So let's keep playing price. So let's say we have $1,000 for the week. In the beginning of the week, we have $1,000. By the end, we've lost $100. We are risking $100 per trade now. We lost $100 here. Or let's say we are risking 200. We lost $200 per trade. So this trade now, we've lost $200. So let's keep waiting to see if there is anything price will show us. Let's see if there's anything price will show us. So price keep pushing up. So at this point here, look at this point here. At this point here, well, we have psychological level here. We have low of the week here, right? We're supposed to take action here, but we didn't see our pattern. What's that pattern? That pattern is M pattern to short. We didn't see that. So no entry. There's no entry here. Guys. No entry there. So let's keep on backtesting. The price actually sold, but that's not our trade. So it's late New York session now. So basically no trade. So let's just wait for it. So yeah, so let's increase this. Yeah. So basically no trade. So let's change it back to 1. Now we are at London session now. So is there any opportunity that we can see here? I guess no opportunity. I'm seeing no opportunity unless this. So we didn't see M pattern here. Yeah, I don't mean we can see an M pattern here now. No M pattern yet. No M pattern at all. So the only thing I'm just seeing here is okay. Price keeps going up, guys. Price just keep going up. So hence I have this trend line here now, guys. So this is where trading becomes very hard. Patience for you to see the right setup you are looking for. Guys. It takes a lot. So let's see. So this is New York. Now we are now in New York, late New York session now. So Ray, where will you be looking forward to trade? I'll be looking forward to take action here. Why? At this point now, I'm having my trend line, I'm having my psychological level, and I'm expecting chart pattern around here. I'm expecting chart pattern around here. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for price to get there. Let's wait for it. Okay. So price is basically at our point of interest. So price is basically at our price is basically at our point of interest. So from this point now, if we see a clear W pattern here, we go long. If we see a clear W pattern here, we go long. we go long. Clear W pattern, okay. Clear W pattern, we go long. Clear W pattern, we go long. Clear W pattern, we go long. So multiple week rejections. So that's first signal. Yeah, guys, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. That's the entry there. So if you change this chart to line chart, you see that you'll see a clear W pattern. Clear W pattern. Let me show you. First leg, second leg, then a push up. I don't know if you can see that. So that is that consigning that. So that's a nice setup here for me. So I would have taken it here, I would have taken it here. Then I love 25 pips a lot. 25 pips. Then I'll target 1 to 2, just 1 to 2. So don't forget that we are risking how many dollars? $200 on this trade. We are risking $200 on this trade. We are risking $200 on this trade. So we are risking $200 on this trade. So let's wait and see. Don't do this to me. Okay. So price. Okay, we are now at late. We are now at late. Okay, we are now at New York session. We are now at New York session. So let's see what price we do right here. Let's see what price we do. Oh, price keep going up. So look at what I was explaining earlier. That you don't just say, okay, oh, you want to trade trend line. No. Trend line is a guide to trade market trend. You don't just say, okay, I think we'll be swinging this trade though. So you don't just say that once price comes to touch it, you're looking to buy. That's why most of us, we take stop loss, then eventually price go our way. So most likely what you want to do is, you want to use this, okay, around this area here, there's a trend line here, there's a psychological level here. Once I see a pattern around there, I look to take my position. Look at this, guys. So TP, taking. So look at this. So this is a good trade for us. This is a good trade for us. I think we need to shift this trend line to this side now. This trend line to this side now. So if I see price around here, if I see price create W pattern around here at on Friday, this will be Friday's trade now. If I see price create a pattern around there, then we look to shoot our shot again. We look to shoot our shot again for a buy. If we see a pattern around there, we look to shoot our shot again. We look to shoot our shot. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. So, okay. Oh, shit. Guys, okay. Guys, do you know the reason why I shouted shit? Because of this pattern. There's a pattern here, but it wasn't time yet for entry. There's a pattern here. That's why I shouted, oh, shit. There's a pattern there that I didn't see. Oh, shit. I don't mean I saw that. Actually, would I have taken that trade? No, I wouldn't have taken that trade. Why? It's not our trading time yet. It's not London session or New York session. So if you change that chart to line chart, you see very well. Look at this. This is a W pattern, clear W pattern for a buy. And price did 1 to 2 there. Price did 1 to 2 there. But it's all right. We allow it go. Let it go. So price is currently at our point of interest now. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for chart pattern. We're waiting for chart pattern. We're waiting for W pattern. Okay. The W is yet to form. So price flashed down. So let's keep waiting. Price is flashing down now. So let's keep waiting. Okay. Aha. Here we have it, guys. I would have taken my entry here. Because if you turn this to line chart, you see that this is a clear W pattern. I'd have taken my entry here. At this point here, I'd have done 25 pips. Then I would have targeted here. 1 to 2. Just 1 to 2. Let's see what the result will be. Then immediately I'll be shouting, yay! What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Aye. Wow. 1 pips to stop loss. Can you guys see that? What? Wow. So we have just 1 pips to stop loss. What? Really? What the actual F? So that's the reason why you want to give your trade breathing space. allow your trade breathe. No shock am. Because you want to maximize profit, don't choke your trade. So guys, so at least we are one pips to stop loss. Guys, it's crazy. So basically, we took 3 trade out of 5 trading days. We lost 1, then we won 2, right? Using simple knowledge. Simple. It's not stressful. Simple. Know what you are looking for. Once you see what you are looking for, shoot your shot. That's all. Know what you are looking for. Once you see what you are looking for, shoot your shot. So for next week, exact same thing that we did now is what you should be repeating again. Exact same thing. Don't stress yourself. Don't overthink it. That's the word. Don't overthink it. So let's go to US oil, because these are the 2 things I'll be backtesting. Let's go to US oil. One currency pair, then one commodity. US oil. Let's go. Let's do the US oil. US oil. Then US oil spot. Okay. So let's backtest. Let's select a date. That was last week. So select. Most of the trade I took here, I actually shared it with us. So this was basically Monday. This was Monday. Then let's see if there are opportunities that we can take advantage of. So number 1 opportunity I'm seeing here, right, is around this area here. Around this area here. Yeah. We'll see a W pattern around that area here. We can look to shoot our shot for a buy. We'll see so that's this US oil now. Same principle. Psychological level, trend line area, shoot your shot once you see your pattern. It's as simple as that. Shoot your shot once you see your pattern. So let's see. It's price current. Let me be ready to post this. Please, and one thing about US oil is it works with timing. Yeah, price is already there. Price is there. Is it late? Once you see the W pattern here now, guys, shoot your shot. Once you see the W pattern here, okay. Okay. See W pattern. Guys, that's it there. That's it right there. That's it right here. So shoot your shot here. Stop loss a little bit below here. I love 500 points as stop loss. But let's just see this. Let's see this. Actually, in the morning, the stop loss, let's just put it at the below this guy here. So we can have 1 to 2. Yeah. Let's put it below this guy here. Then we can. The reason why is, you see, anytime you see this W pattern, please, let me show you something about US oil. Pay attention to this time. Look at this W pattern form around. When did this start? Around 7 o'clock to, we finally see to 8. 7 to 8. Let's say 7 to 9. When you see W pattern or M pattern, 7 to 9, anywhere, shoot your shot. This is the signal this year is telling us. So let's play. This buy is sure. It's sure. This buy is very sure, guys. The buy is sure. Let's see. Price should go up. Yes, price should go up. That's it there. That's it right there, guys. TP taking. It's very sure on US oil. Early in the morning, once you wake up, see that, just shoot your shot, guys. And this is what I'll be using for that challenge I told you guys. So now price came down here. Price actually went down to this point. This was Monday. Yeah. After this point here, price came down. Then okay. So let's go. So what happened here? What I'm seeing here right now is I'm seeing a sort of a trend line here. I don't know if this will be it, but I'm coming on. Just a sec, guys. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, and I'm seeing something here again. I'm seeing something here that is worthy of attention. I'm seeing this here. I'm seeing this point here, right? I'm seeing this point as a zone. Let's see if you see an engulfing bullish candlestick here. We might look to join the buy. We might look to buy. Okay, price came down. A break, and a retest, guys. A break and a retest. Price will fall, guys. Price will fall. It will sell. Yeah, guys, that's 500 points. That's over 500 or 1,000 points, right? So let's just wait. Let's wait. So guys, what you want to wait for now is, what's that time? Around our 6:30 to what? 6:30 to 9:30. Anything we see that form there, We shoot. We shoot right there. Anything that forms there, we shoot. So let's just wait. Just wait. Around 6:30 to 9:30. We shoot our shots. Let's just wait. Let's wait. Are we looking for a W pattern? Are we looking for a M pattern? Now look at what I'm seeing here, guys. Now I'm seeing a break of structure here. A break of structure now. A break of structure. This here is a break of structure. There's a break of structure that happens, that is happening here. So hence, it should be more of buys. It should be more of buys. So if we see our pattern, if we see M pattern here, we'll still short to the next psychological level. And if we see M pattern, we'll buy. So any pattern you see around that particular time, just know that that is what price is saying. Any pattern we see. So, okay. So it's now time. It's time now, guys. Let's wait for that pattern. Okay. It's now time. Guys, what does this pattern look like? This is a W pattern. Change it. Look at this. This is a W pattern around that particular time that this happened. W pattern. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm showing you guys secrets. Like secrets. So let's see. So look at this. I will enter here. Stop loss below this guy. Do you remember? Stop loss below this guy, just like we did it there. Stop loss below this guy. Target 1 to 2. Target just 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Play. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Price is now at the psychological level. So let's see what happens. Price, there are multiple week rejection here now. So I'm okay. Price is still going up. But let's see. 1 to 2. That 1 to 2 is sure. 1 to 2. Yeah, guys. Can you see that? Woo! Hope you guys are seeing that secret. We don't catch them like that. We don't catch them. So, guys, this is a secret. This is a crazy secret. A crazy secret on USOIL. Crazy one. So let's see. In fact, let's just backtest that secret. Let's backtest that secret. So next week, you know exactly what to look for. You're not guessing. It should happen. 1 to 2. It should happen. So let's wait. I'm super excited. Yeah, wow. Congratulations to everyone that is watching this right now. I'm giving you guys a secret. But I want you guys to repay me back. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, guys. That will seriously, tell me thank you. So let's wait again. It's almost time. Where's our time now? Where is it now? This is what time is this? 6:30. Yeah, this is it here. Any pattern we find here, whether a W pattern or a M pattern, but most likely it's supposed to be a W pattern. Any pattern we find here now should show us. Let's wait for that pattern. Okay, let's wait. Okay. It should be a W pattern then. It should be a W pattern. Okay, guys, that's it right here. That's it right there. So what we have here now, this is now 9 o'clock. But yes, let's take it. So let's say we entered here, then stop loss a little bit above this guy here. Let's say 500. I love 500 as stop loss. But let's just take it a little bit around. Let's take it the way we've been doing it here. Just the highest point it got to. Then let's target 1 to 2. Let's just target 1 to 2. Let's see. Let's see what this trade is going to give us. Yeah, stop loss taken. Stop loss taken. But let's see what the result is going to be like. This is painful. Very, very painful, guys. I remember I caught this trade. Yeah. On my Instagram, I caught this trade. This was the trade I was telling people to hold. Hold is going to sell. I remember this trade. Hold is going to sell. It's still going to sell. I remember this trade. I caught this trade. If I can just still share it, if I can still share this trade, I'll post it somewhere on this screen. I caught this trade, this sell here. I caught it. I caught this sell here, and I made $1,000 from this. $1,000 from this. I caught this. I think I exited here. It was late London, New York session. I exited here. Yes, I caught this trade here. But guys, let's just count it as a losing trade for us. But I caught this trade. I knew it was a sell. I caught this trade. For those that are on my Instagram, please put it in the comment section that you saw this trade when I called it and I told you to hold. Yeah. So so the next day, Let's wait. This is Wednesday. So next day, same thing, same approach, nothing different. So let's go and box out that time. Let's go and box out that time. Let's box out that time. So this is 6:30. Yeah, look around this point here. So most likely it's looking like a buy. Most likely it's looking like a buy if we say W pattern. So wait, I'm seeing something here now. Just wait. H4. Let's go to H4. Now. Okay. So it's likely for us to have something like this. Yes, something like this trend line, because this looks like an impulsive move that breaks this point, then looks like a correction now to give an impulsive move again. Then I'm looking at this trend line this way. Yes. So let's go to 15 minutes back. Let's go back to 15 minutes where we have our entry. So I'm supposed to go to 1 minute, but because of our time, I don't want this video to be more than 40 minutes. I don't want to be more than 40 minutes. So let's rush it. So if we see a W pattern around that time, then we'll likely buy. Okay, this happens around when? 4:30. So I'm expecting a flash down. If we see a flash down and a pull up around, it's not around our time now. If we see a flash down, then a pull up, then guys, whoa, okay, flash down. Thank you. Then let's see W pattern there. W pattern. Thank you, guys. Shit. Sorry, we missed that entry. Look at this. I know most of us won't be able to spot this. We missed that entry. This was the W pattern price created around that time. Look at it here. Pull up. This was the W pattern price created around that time. But most of us, we didn't see it. I didn't see it even early. But I would have entered around here. Around this time, there will always be entry. Yeah, stop loss will be here. Then I would have caught 1 to 2. Just 1 to 2. there. Just 1 to 2. Yeah, just 1 to 2 there. Just 1 to 2. So, guys, just 1 to 2. So, that's it. Look at what pattern around that time that I'm telling you. So, that's it. That's it right there, guys. So, this was Thursday. So, I've even left... I'm not even using our strategy again, guys. This is crazy. So yeah, if you see a pattern here, okay, it's even late New York session now. Yeah, I'll tell you the truth. You won't see moves the way you're supposed to see them any longer on the chart, because we are now at the the last quarter of the year. They are rounding up what price is doing, and this will cost a lot of things in the market though. So let's see what will happen on Friday. Then let's see what will happen on Friday. Then let's see what will happen on Friday. So let's mark out our time on Friday. Yes, this is our time. So it's likely for us to see a W pattern. M pattern is an M pattern. It's likely for us to see an M pattern. It's likely for the likelihood for us. Thank you, guys. That's it. Can you see that? Even though it wasn't really clear, but I don't know if you see the M pattern. It's an M pattern around that time. So any pattern you see around that time, it will form around that time. Just shoot your shots. I'd have entered here at the closure of this point here. This is where my entry will be. A clear direction. The highest point. I would have targeted 1 to 2. Just 1 to 2. Then let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen there. Okay, price bought or price sold. Which one? Okay. So we are the selling market. It's buying again. Okay. So yeah. So price sold, then price bought. By the way, this would have caught 1 to 1.5 here. But it's all right. I'm still seeing this as a sell market, guys. It's still a sell. This still a sell. This still a sell. This still a sell. It's still a sell. Yeah. It's still a sell. So that's just that's everything. So the more you keep it simple, just Be conscious of timing. Be conscious of entries. That's all. That's all, guys. That's all, guys. That's everything that you need to understand. So, guys, I want you to, if you know you've gained value from this video has been able to open your eyes to something, especially timing on US oil. Timing is very, very important. Timing. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you if there's any what your thought about it, share it in the comment section box, right? And make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Thank you, everybody. See you next week again. Bye, guys.